Okay, this is looking up from the bottom at the manifold on the transmission side. There's a little tab right there on the block that kind of sticks out, and it looks like it may hit the bottom of the manifold a little bit. Here's the two little tabs I'm talking about right there, and then there's a little one there and a little one there. Alright, there's a little bit of material removed here and some there. That should take care of the tabs on the outside. There is a lip cut right here, but it still looked a little bit close to me, so just to be better safe than sorry, I'm going to take a little bit of material off of it. Took a little bit of material off the bottom of the flange in those two spots. May not be necessary, but I figure I better do it while I had the chance. Just use a little air belt sander. Did a pretty nice job.